Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete system restore points in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin, open the Windows search bar and type Disk Cleanup. Select the Disk Cleanup application that appears in the search results. Once the Disk Cleanup window opens, you will see a prompt asking you to select a drive. Click on OK. Next, you will want to select the option to clean up system files. Click on OK again. In Disk Cleanup, go to the tab called More Options. Then go to the section called System Restore and Shadow Copies. Click on Clean Up, and when the confirmation appears, select Delete Files to confirm and remove the system restore points. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.